Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliyah S. If you don't already know, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. Today I will be showing y'all how to do passion twists using pre-twisted hair. I'm going to show y'all how to do them individually, and you don't have to do braids, no braid, no cornrows, no rubber bands, and it's a very good method. So if you want to see that video, keep on watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this, comment down below what you think about my method and if you like it or not, and let's get into this video. Hey you guys, so this is past Aliyah. I just got the package today. I'm not going to do the twist on my hair today. It's gonna be like towards the weekend. Y'all, look at my brow, they look a mess. I look a mess, low key, but that's okay. Anyways, so let's open up this package and see what we got. I will show a picture right here, what it looks like, what it costs, what I bought, and everything. This is from Beyond Beauty, but it's through AliExpress. I think it's from Beyond Beauty. So it's actually shipped here from China, I think, China. So it's supposed to be 7 packs of pre-twisted hair, black pre-twisted passion twist hair. And this is the package. I don't know, they probably just shoved it all in here. But let's open it and see. Okay, so this comes with a crochet hook. And this is what it's looking like. It has the attachment, which you will need. So it has that attachment right here. It goes like that. So that's great. I already have one of these, but if you don't and you get this package, you'll have one. So you don't need to go out and buy more. They have these like hair accessories. There's only 4 of these, and then 2 and 4 of those, which I'm probably not going to use at all because I'm more of a silver clamp type girl. But let's see. Okay, so here's what the packages are looking like. Looks pretty nice. And this is supposed to be 18 inches. It's supposed to be 18 inches. It looks like that's exactly what it is. Might be shoved down there a little bit, but they're pre-twisted and they look really nice and neat, y'all. So I'm excited. I think there might be maybe, I don't know how many are on each strand, but it should say in the picture that I showed you. I don't know. If it's not, then hopefully I remember to put it in when I actually start doing my hair. So this is all the hair. Got all this hair. And I will probably not use all of the packs. I don't know, I might, because I might actually go smaller than what I did in my previous video. If you haven't checked that video out, check it out. It'll be up in one of these corners, probably this one. But yeah, check that one out too, because that one was a good one as well. But this one, I'm going to go in more depth, show y'all better angles and stuff and how I did this. And also my other one, I did not use pre-twisted hair, and these are pre-twisted. So how to use pre-twisted hair, crocheted singly and not have to braid, do the cornrows. So that's my goal. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. So let's get on to the twisting of the hair and whatnot. Y'all say hi to Bo. Bo, look at the camera. No, look right here. Look. Say hey. Hi, y'all. Hi. Anyways, let's get on with the video. You guys, I just wanted to go on here and show y'all like a pack of the hair, like me opening a pack of the hair. Excuse how my hair looks right now. I'm actually going to take these out. But let's open and see and feel. This is what it's looking like. It looks really nice, like, and neat, y'all. Nice and neat. Hey you guys, it's voiceover Aliyah, so let me go ahead and take over the video. So basically what I did to prep my hair, I sectioned it off and I braided each section about 1/3 down. So this is what I'm going to be using instead of rubber bands. It doesn't pull your hair out, so if you have very slippery hair and you don't want to use rubber bands, I suggest this method. So what I'm doing, I'm taking a crochet hook with a latch and I'm pushing it underneath or sideways, which I recommend going underneath the braid, and I'm pushing it up. I'm taking the pre-twisted passion twist hair and I'm taking the loop and I'm looping it in and I'm pulling the hair through the braid. And then I take that loophole in the passion twist and I take the actual passion twist hair and I loop it in and I pull, creating a sort of knot. With that, I begin to untwist the passion twist hair a little bit and begin twisting my hair with the twist. So I'm not taking the twist all the way down, I'm just untwisting it enough to retwist my hair with the twist. So as you can see, I'm finishing up twisting my hair with the twist, and then I don't have to keep twisting after that. So it makes it very simple and easy and quick. So this is me doing it again. So as you can see, I'm taking that crochet hook and I'm putting it underneath the braid, and I'm taking the passion twist hair, taking that loop, hooking it in, taking the latch, latching it in so the hair doesn't slip out from underneath when you pull it through. And as I pull it through, I'm going to open that hole a little bit more and I'm going to pull the actual twist through that hole and making a knot and just pulling it tighter. Then I'm going to separate the twist a little bit. I put a little gel on my actual real hair just to try to blend it in better. I'm going to untwist the actual twist and begin twisting my hair with the twist. So this way you don't have to untwist it all the way to the bottom. You don't have to worry about, twisting the hair as you twist. So it makes it very simple and easy and makes it really neat. One thing I do want to mention is in the beginning, I do twist my hair with the pre-twisted hair as a whole, and then I separate my hair into 2 strands and twist it along with the twisting hair once I twist past the braid. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like now. I just finished. Usually when I do like twist in my hair or a protective style like this, which most likely are twists, it takes me 2 days, but that's because I like split my hair up half and half, like half one night and half in the morning, just because I get lazy and I get tired and I just don't want to do it. But this is what my hair is looking like. It took about 3 1/4 of a pack of hair to do all of this. And I didn't really do that great on the parting, but hopefully you can't really tell. But yeah, I decided to go with all black because, I don't know, I just like the all black look. Like my hair is black, I just like that look. But let me know in the comments what y'all think about this hair. Yeah. I really like it. My head is just big. I just gotta get back used to wearing twist again. But yeah, I like it. I don't mind it. If I just did my eyebrows and maybe some lashes or something, I'll look a lot better. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about these twists in the comments down below. Let me know if this is an easier way to do it for you. If you've seen my past twist videos, this hair actually, it took way less time than I usually do to do my hair. I didn't really time it, but I think I did around 5 or 6 hours. That's still a long time, but before it used to take me way longer than that. But yeah, it took 5-6 hours. And yeah, so let me know what y'all think about these braids in the comments or in the poll up in one of these corners. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, because I will be posting a lot more this year. Hopefully this is my year, 2020. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, and let me know if you tried this style with the pre-twisted passion twist hair. I got 18 inches. I don't know if I mentioned that before, 18 inches, and I ordered them online. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.